have with their loving parents right here on the dance floor as a way of saying thank you po, Mama and Papa, Mommy or Daddy, Nanay or Tatay, for all the years of love and support. So right now, ladies and gentlemen, we will have the tribute dances to the parents and our parents. Not that no? We would like to first invite our groom, sir, join me here. And of course, Sir Brian and Dana. I would like to ask you a very important question, sir. Medyo magkakabuhingan tayo. Gaano ka ba kadalas nagsasabi ng thank you sa imong ginikanan? Always ba or usahay ka?
Usahay na.
Ayun na nga. Nagkabuhingan po tayo. But of course, Sir Brian, this is gonna be your grandest gesture of saying thank you sa imong ginikanan. Right now, first, duula usap si Papa.